In this video, we'll learn how to do an Excel-like SUMIF or a COUNTIF, but using Power Query, either in Excel or in Power BI. Let's start. All right, I'm in Excel here, and that's where I have some sample data. I'm going to push that data to Power Query first. So this should be a table. If you don't know how to make a table, use Control T, and once you have the table ready, you can go over to the data tab and say that from table range, and this data is going to come inside of Power Query. Now let's just say that once the data has been loaded in Power Query, let's just say that I would like to be able to find the sum of all the customers per year and what has been the total sales of that, which is nothing but a SUMIF. So first, I would like to find all the years, so 2005 or 7 or whatever that is, and then I'd like to take a total of the customer and write the total right here. Just 3 columns of the data. First things first, I'm just going to maybe find the year. So click on the date column, add column, date, and I'm just going to find the year of that. I have the year column. Once I have all the columns through which I want to make the summarization, that is when I can start to do my COUNTIF or my SUMIF. Let's just take a look. So I'm going to go ahead in the transform tab, and I'm going to use this particular option called group by, which is nothing but summing or counting by a condition. So transform group by. In the group by, I will say that my first column in the advanced is going to be year. The second column is going to be the customer. All the calculations that you would like to do are going to come in at the bottom. So I would like to have, let's say, the total sales, which is going to be the sum of which column of this particular sales column, and that is going to be 1. Let's just say I also want to do a count of the number of transactions. Then I can just say add aggregation is going to be, let's say, transactions, and that is going to be just the count rows of the entire data. Click on OK, and now what we have received is nothing but 1 is the total sales, which is nothing but the SUMIF. The other one is the COUNTIF, depending upon these 2 conditions. I hope this was helpful. Before you go, don't forget to check out my courses on Power BI, and also do not forget to subscribe to my email list, which is where I share incredibly awesome videos that I create and a couple of other things around Power BI. I'm sure you'll enjoy that. See you around.